So, hello guys, what's up? This is my video after very long time. I am pretty much depressed about futures and life. I don't know how to do, what to do, how life is going, but I know I am doing well in the future. I try my best. I started my agency, SMMA, but I have no clear path how to do everything. Everything is like mess. The depression is next level. I can't find any way to do. By the way, look, the sky is glow up. I think nature is telling me that don't worry about future. Everything is going well. I know this is some few time free time that I talk this. In fact, my English not good. After very long time, I decided that that I am start my agency one more time. I start an agency 1 year ago, but I didn't. I failed that time, but now I am doing well. Starting just few days, I think I can, and everyone who wants to do something big in life, this is the phase that everything going wrong. Okay, so don't depressed. In fact, this is I am not telling you guys, this is I am telling myself. By the way, seeing my another video, up to that time everyone blessed, so don't worry. I think everyone can see my eye is swelling, means something. I think this is for depression.